Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, happy Friday to you. Get ready for the Memorial Day weekend next weekend. I am heading out to Arizona for those of you that want a free ride on some product and save some taxes. What we have here is an early 1900s glass change tray from the Santa Fe Tobacco Company. This is very cool. We just sold a series of these recently. If you're into vintage advertising, you want something that's useful and nice that you can leave around, just leave some coins and change in it. This might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.